Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, students. How are you? I'm good, thank you. So today we are welcome to another brand new day that the Lord has made for us to rejoice and be glad in it. So how was your night? How was your night? You slept and you wake up. How was your night? Good, right? Mine was also good. So what are we talking about today? We are talking about sounds of the alphabet. Very good. And we clap for ourselves. Yes. Before we dive in to talk about sounds of the alphabet, who can give us a song? Yes, I want us to sing a song. Who can give us a song? Oh, okay. Hello. Okay. Hello. 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 How are you? Hello. 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 How are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Yay. Very good. So let us dive in without wasting our precious time. Let us dive into the sounds of the alphabet. Sounds of the alphabet. Wow. And how do we call these letters? Capital letters. Very good. And how do we call these letters? Small letters. Very good. And how do we call these? Capital and small letters of the alphabet. So can we read? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Z, anyone. Yes, so these are letters of the alphabet. Yesterday, we treated sounds of the alphabet and ended at. So can we start from A till we reached the sounds, the funny sounds of the alphabet, not letters. Oh, sorry. Yes, the funny sounds. A. What is my pointer? Okay. A. A. B. K. D. E. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. Okay, very good. Okay, now you read alone while I listen. Are you ready? Okay, you read and I repeat after you. Are you ready? 1, 2, go. A. B. K. D. Yes, you are reading and I'm repeating after you. I cannot hear you, so you read louder so that I can repeat after you. E. Oh, I did not hear this one well. Okay, G, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, Q. It's not L, it's R, R, R. Your tongue should vibrate a little. R. Very good. Clap for yourselves. Yay. So let us look at this one. Oh, not before we go here. So today we are going to complete these last 6. These last 6. We are going to complete them, and tomorrow we will read from A to Z, from A to Z. Tomorrow. Then next week we will start building 2 words, 2 letters word. Okay? Okay. So today we are going to start from U to Z. But let us go one after another. Wow, these vowel sounds again. What is really important about these vowel sounds? The vowel sounds, you will see them in every word. In every word. That is why they are important. In every word that you write or you read, you will see the vowel sounds in that word. And if you know how to pronounce the vowel sound, it will help you to read and write so fast. So what are these sounds? A, E, I, O, O. Very good. So let us go. You just read very fast. Ah. Clap for yourself. So today we are going to start with this song. This song, you know it already because you saw it when we were treating vowels sound. So what song is this? Oh, oh, yes. Oh, very good. And this one, nobody knows. You don't know this song? Okay, this is V, V, V. You can even call it V, V. Yes, I think you can call it V or you call it V. Anyone can go, okay? So let us say V, 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 V. So you just say V, 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 V. Yes. So which one are we taking? V. Oh, V. Okay, let us take V, 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 V. Yes. Look at this one. W, 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 V, V, W, V, W. Yes, so this is W. W is, it speaks. It speaks W. W. So how does X speaks? How does X speaks? X speaks. Yes. S speaks. Very good. This is Y. How does Y speaks? Yes. What is the sound of letter Y? Who knows? Nobody? Who knows? Nobody. Okay, this is Y. 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 Like yes. Y. 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 So this is Y. And the last one. So what sounds? How does letter Z speaks? Or letter Z speaks? So yes, like very good. So this is how the sounds of the alphabet are being pronounced. Yeah, yeah, yeah. W, 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 v, 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 v. Oh, 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 oh. So let us start from all and read down again. All. V, v, w, w, x, x, y, y, z, z. Okay, now you read alone while I listen. Oh, very good. Hmm? V speaks V, V, V. Or you say V, V. Can I? Anyone is correct. V, 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 V. Oh, no, 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 no. Yes. And this one, W speaks W, W, W. Water, water. Well done. And this one, X. X has a trick here. Look at this X. X has a trick. And how is X? How does X speak? How does X speak? And Y? How does Y speak? Yeah, yeah. Very good. And how does Z speak? How does Z speak? Very good. So we are going to read from A till Z. Okay? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Let us go. Let us go. Reading our phonics. Reading our phonics. Let us go. Let us go. 1, 2, 3. A, B, K, 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 D, E, G, H, I, J, K, L, Sorry, I got the network shaky. Yeah, this is where we were. And then we were reading, we were already, let us start afresh now, let us continue. We were here on K, L, O, P, P, Qu, 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 R, O, V, W, Y, Z. Very good. Let us start from here. O, V, 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 W, W, Y, 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 Y. Very good. So this is our sounds of the alphabet. This is our sound of the alphabet. We can say that we have done all today. Done all today. But now I want you to give me the word that starts with this sound. Dun, 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 dun. Any word that starts with the sound. Yes. No, where is it? Okay, let us come here. Can you see? Oh. Can you give me one word that starts with the sound oh? Oh. Uncle. Very good, uncle. Okay, let us add another bonus. Oh, under. See? Under. Oh, uncle. Under. Under. Very good. Very. Very. Van. 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 W. Yes. Can you give me any word that a sound starts with W? Water. Water. Yes. Another word that the sound starts with W. W. Wait. Wait. Or where? W. Yes. Wait. You need to wait a bit. We are going to use two words that ends with the sound. Okay. Can you see? Box. Box. It ends with box. And this one, fox. 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 Yes, it ends with. Do you understand? Box. Fox. Yeah. So can you give me any word that start with yeah? Yeah. Yes. Yes. You see? And another one. Yeah. Yeah. Yellow. Hey. Yeah. Yellow. Yeah. Yes. And this one, zebra. And this one, Z, 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 zigzag. Okay, very good. So this is where we are going to end for today. Do you have any question? Oh, no, before we end, let us read. Oh, uncle, under, very, van, water, water, wait, box, fox, yes, yes, yellow, yellow, zebra, zebra, zip, zip. Very good. Do you have any question to ask? Okay, if you don't have any question, we will end here for today and we will continue tomorrow. Please, students, today our posters will start from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. because 3 p.m. I have to attend a competition, okay? A quiz competition. What do you have to say? Thank you, teacher. You are welcome. See you today at 2 p.m. Those of you that have not gotten your post test, please come online and have your post test, okay? Goodbye.